Hey, how you doing guys? It's Belly here. I do code stuff on YouTube, chat description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called Final Prices with a special discount in a shop. Given the array prices, where prices at I is the price of the item in a shop, there is a special discount for items in the shop. If you buy the item, then you will receive a discount equivalent to prices at J, where J is the minimum index such that J is greater than I, and prices at J is less than or equal to prices at I. Otherwise, you will not receive any discount at all. Return an array where the element is the final price you will pay for the item of the shop, considering the special discount. Let's look at this example. We got these prices 8, 4, 6, 2 and 3, and you return this output because for item 0, which is right here, you got 8, you will receive a discount equivalent to prices at 1, which is right here 4, because that's 0 base, right? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore the final price you will pay is 8 minus 4, which is 4. For item 1, which is 4, you will receive a discount equivalent to prices at 3, which is 2. Therefore the final price you will pay is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. For item 2 with price 6, you will receive a discount equivalent to prices at 3, which is 2, right here. So you will pay 6 minus 2, which is 4. For items 3 and 4 right here, you will not receive any discount at all. Right here you got all these prices in ascending order. That means that you will not receive any discount at all. And here, we got this output. The length of that array prices is greater than or equal to 1 and is less than or equal to 500. Prices at I is greater than or equal to 1 and is less than or equal to the base 10 raised to the power of 3. Well, we can solve this problem using stack data structure. Guys, stack means that we can push the elements from the we can push the elements onto the top of the stack, and then we can pop the elements also from the top of the stack. And what we need to do is look at this description, and you can see that prices at J is less than or equal to prices at I, means that suppose we got prices at I 4, and then we need to find the first value into that prices, like suppose we got 8, which is less than or equal to itself, right? To 8. And the first one, which is 4, and then we need to extract 4 from 8 and say at this position you got the result, which is 4. Then we do the same. We got 4, then we need to find the value which is less than or equal to itself, the first one, and extract that value from that current value. which is 4. We got 2, so we extract 2 from 4, and we got 4. We get 2. 4, 2, right? Then 4, and 2 and 3. That's it. Go ahead. We need to create stack of the type integer, which is stack new stack, the type integer. You create a for loop. We are looping through these prices as less than, let's copy that real quick, prices dot length and I++. At each iteration you create the while loop, you check in the case when this stack is not empty and prices at the position of stack dot peak is greater than or equal to prices at I, you modify the value at the position of stack dot pub, and you say minus equal prices at I. Also, at each iteration you need to push the current index, which is stack dot push I, and finally return modified prices. That's it. Let's run this code. Let's submit. Good. Let's look at this example real quick. We got these prices right there, and you know, stack is empty initially. Then we start looping through these prices. We are at the position of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are here right now. Then we can see that stack is empty, so we just skip this condition. We push the current index, which is 0. Then we go here, we increment I by 1, and we can see that stack is not empty, and we got stack.peak means that we do a lookup. We don't remove the element from the top of the stack. We just look at this element, and we take this index, and we see that prices at this position, which is on the top of the stack, which is, you know, prices at 0, which is 8, is greater than or equal to prices at I, right? Prices at 1, which is 4. You can notice this condition, you know, from the description of this problem. Prices at I means prices at, you know, prices at I means prices at stack.peak, and prices at J means you know, prices at I, like vice versa, right? Then that's true, so we go here, we extract prices at I, which is 4, from this 8, which is, you know, at 0, which is 8, and we got right here at the position of 0, we pop this index, and we got 4, right? We got 4 right here. We modified these prices. Then we push the current index, which is 1, onto the top of the stack. Then we increment I by 1. We go here, and we can see that stack is not empty, right? Then 4 is not greater than or equal to 6. We skip this condition. We push the current index, which is 2. Then we go here, and we can see that stack is not empty as well. And you know, like here, 6, which is at the position of 2 right here, is greater than 2. So we extract 2 from this 6. We pop this element right here, this index, and we say 6 minus 2, which is 4. And we again go here, stack is not empty, we got 1 right here, and price is at 1, which is 4, is greater than 2. So we again extract 2 from 4. We pop this index, and we got 4 minus 2, which is 2. Then stack is empty. We skip this condition. We are out of that condition, and we go here. We push the current index, which is 3. Then we increment I by 1. We go here. We can see that 2 is not greater than or equal to 3. So we skip this condition. We push the current index, which is 4, and we break out of that loop, right? We are here, and finally we return modified prices, which is this array right here. That's it. That's the whole problem. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I wanna know what you think. Follow me on social medias, on Instagram, add me on Snapchat. Have a good day. Bye.